Hi, I am Rhonda with Rhonda Gage's Colorful Crochet, and this is a collaboration with my five favorite thing collaboration with Jessica Myros and Myros Nature. Have fun, enjoy. Thank you.
What happened in your experience as a result of that newfound alignment and that newfound connection?
Blue Chevy was the smart way to pick me up and down his side. The smart way to learn and seek new adventures.
Hanging kitchen towels with a variety of sayings on them that I put the tops on. My free beer tomorrow sign. I haven't ever hung it up, but I've gotten a couple of them and given them to friends, and they've hung theirs up, so it looks really cool with their bar and stuff. So, and it's free beer tomorrow because tomorrow never comes. This blanket was a stitch along with 9 different characters. So here's Ernie, and his square is different than Bert's. Each square is different. Here's Oscar. Here is, try and turn it around on here. Here is Elmo with a different square than the others. Here is Abby Cadabby. Here is the Cookie Monster. Here is Big Bird. Here is Super Grover. And here is the Count. I have started getting a variety of the yarns. So having shelves organized so that my yarn is all put away. I have some totes underneath. And then I can come down here to the basement to get my yarns and make my products. And I do have like different kinds of yarn. This here's cotton yarn, and this is cotton yarn. All the rest is acrylic yarns. This is Dollar Tree yarns. So I'm going to make a blanket with that. Then I have my tomato plants. They're getting pretty big. There's a tomato on this one, a small one. The rest of my garden. These ones up top can't decide if they want to grow or not. This is like the 3rd time on this one. And then this is cucumbers. I turned my phone.